morning.
Good morning.
We're at the tunnel view in Yosemite. We just stopped for some pictures. It is 9 a.m. It's freezing outside. It says 45, but it feels colder than that. It's a little windy. And we're gonna drive to the Welcome Center and poke around there, and then go park over by the John Muir Trailhead and do some hiking.
Yeah, welcome back. If you guys are new here, subscribe below. Our channel is basically all about hiking and going on sweet adventures like this, so keep watching. I don't know if you could see that, but there's a big giant waterfall over there. There's a little waterfall coming out of there. We're on the, what is it, Vernal Trail?
The mist trail to the Vernal Falls and Nevada Falls.
Mist Trail to Vernal Falls and Nevada Falls. We are in Yosemite. So crazy.
Just had to pick up some sweet gloves and beanies because we didn't think it'd be so dang cold.
Yep.
Up here at the gift shop.
But I took my gloves off because it's too hot, or at least I'm not in shape. So I got sweaty really fast. I brought my big old Game of Thrones sweatshirt, so that didn't help either. Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's see if you can see us better. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Neither one of us have been here before. We've also never hiked these trails, so it's gonna be fun. I'm tired already, per usual. It took like 3 hours to get here. 3-hour drive. The drive was really pretty too, but a lot of windy roads, so not good for filming, I don't think. We got our first stamp too for our passport book. It was really cool. You go into the Welcome Center and they got this little stand thing, and they got one cute stamp with like a pattern on it, and then a stamp with the actual date, and it was green.
Just keeps going and going. So many steps.
Yep. Came from way down there, you can't even tell. Now we're gonna go up.
But there's kids doing this, like elderly people. We even seen someone pushing a stroller.
Yeah,
Not
so
on the steps.
we're weak sauce. we need more stamina. Taking like 20 breaks already.
No,
but
we're good.
we're gonna do it.
Just taking like 5-second breaks. We're good to go. Yeah.
Well, that's not what the sign said.
No, I thought it initially comes to call through here and then go that way and be done. But we can hike up there. We're probably like here already. Hike there and then turn around and come back, right? And then we're took a picture of the sign.
Yeah.
We can walk that way.
I feel like I have a bug on me. Ugh, maybe I did. We're taking a break. We're tired. 2 hours in. We hit one falls. We gotta get to the other one.
We're almost there.
Oh, see, it says closed on there though. What is that part for? So that's the loop, right?
Yeah, but we can just backtrack and still connect.
On the yellow part?
On the green part. We're on the yellow. So we'll just hit it and come back, and then instead of having to do all those steps, this looks like switchback, so you don't have a ton of steps.
Okay. We'll see. We're having a good time. Enjoying nature at its finest. None of the pictures do it justice here. You have to come see it in real life. Okay, we're going. We made it to the top! Ah! We couldn't film over there because the waterfall is really loud. It's probably still really loud. But we made it!
We have to backtrack the way we came because the loop part that we were going to do is closed, so.
Winter closed.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're so excited. It took about 3 hours to get up here. And
hopefully it'll be shorter going down, maybe 2 hours.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Hey everybody, we just finished the hike. It was pretty awesome. It's 6 miles round trip. We couldn't do the extended part of the John Muir area because it was closed during the winter. So we had to come back down the Mist Trail where we went. It's getting pretty cold, and there was a lot of people definitely down towards the bridge at the bottom, the first falls. A lot of people don't hike up the extra distance. After doing this, recommend what we do bring is a change of socks and a new shirt, because we sweating, so it's nice to put on something dry when you're done. Anything you can think of too?
Lots of water and maybe some snacks too. We had Cliff Bars. It's really steep. There's a lot of stairs and just steepness. Like, if your thighs aren't ready for this, you're not ready.
I think we did, what the Fitbit say, like 260 stories or something like that.
Yeah, 260.
Going up and down.
Yes. And my legs got really weak on the way down. I fell once. I got leaves on my pants. But yeah, it's not for the beginner hiker. On the All Trails app, it said moderate, which I don't think I don't think that's accurate.
So it's definitely like in between moderate and hard.
Yes.
But it's worth going all the way to the top.
Yes.
The views from up there and both waterfalls are awesome.
And doing all that is like halfway to Half Dome, right? Or a quarter of the way.
Yeah, once you get to the top of the Nevada Falls, Half Dome's another 4.5 miles.
Yeah, which is
a lot, because we just did 6 total, another 4.5. That's like definitely an all day, like 10 or 12 hour hike.
Yeah. It was a good trip though. We started at 5 a.m. Technically we're back in the car 3:30. So it's been a long time.
3 hours of driving, and we wasted like an hour probably stopping at the
to get our stamp.
And then to go get our stamp and go to the visitor center.
Yeah.
So
but still, long day.
The hike was, I think, just under 5 hours total.
But we'll definitely come back. We're definitely going to be doing more hikes. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.